Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm super excited to talk to you about this guy, and this is just part of the package. This is an Energizer 100,000 mAh portable power station, and it has a 320 watt potential output, and in the package deal it comes with a 4-panel solar charging system. Yeah, 4 panels, really cool solar panel charging system. Folds up like a briefcase, so it's easy to carry with you, but super powerful. And I'm going to talk about both of those things and review both of them because they come as a package. Now you can buy them independently of each other separately, but the best way to do it is buy them both, because this is 100 mAh, so lots of power, and I'm going to talk about all the ports it has and why it is so awesome. But then with the solar panel, you have a way to charge this. Even if there's no power, you can still charge it with the solar panel. And that solar panel that comes with it, it's 4 panels. It puts out a lot of power. It's able to charge this device. It's able to charge things itself, like your phone and things like that, on its own, separately from being able to power this up. So let's talk about the power station first, and then we'll talk about the solar panel and how they work together. So you have lots of ports on this to use. You've got a DC input, and they have the power supply so that you can charge this by plugging it in if you want to. Also has a Type-C 100 watt in out, so you can also charge this by just plugging it into a Type-C power puck up to 100 watts. And then you can also, once this is charged, or however charged it is, you can output a 100 watt PD charger. That's enough to power a MacBook, charge a MacBook, laptops, things like that. Really awesome. Next to that, you have another PD Type-C 60 watt power supply. Again, 60 watts, I mean, you can fast charge your iPhone, your Samsung Galaxy phones, power anything you need to power with Type-C, as well as even charge or power a laptop, because 60 watts is enough to at least charge the battery on most laptops or Chromebooks or MacBooks. Then you've got 2 USB 3.0 power supplies, and then you've got another DC out. Then you've got this nice, beautiful display up here, semi-color display that clearly shows you how much battery you have left, how much power is going in and out, whether you have DC on or AC on. You have 2 buttons here. This button turns the DC power on. This button turns the AC power on. And the AC power is over here. You have, check it out, you've got 2 standard plugs that you can use for power, as well as your standard car socket power supply. So you can have power going out of all these at the same time as well. And you're going to see some demo footage of me having plugged in a bunch of stuff to this thing and just powering it, just to show that, in a power outage, or if you're camping or fishing or whatever you're doing, if you're out filming like me, you're filming and you're on location and you need a power supply to charge things or power things, you can use this. Now over here on this other side, you've got this light that has its own independent switch, and this light has 2 brightness levels, as well as a couple of like emergency flashing levels in case you were trying to flag someone down. So all the ports you need, I mean, that's an amazing number of ports, and again, 320 watts of potential output power at the same time, which is great. Now the other part of this is that solar panel power supply. Now that thing is amazing. I was so impressed because it's not this tiny little solar panel like I've seen in the past. This is a full 4 and decent size. It folds up really nice, but you unfold it. It's got built-in stands so that it stands up to angle towards the sun, and then it has a cord that you just plug right into here to power this and charge this up. That cord has every kind of tip you can imagine so that you can plug it into other power stations. You can plug it into other devices in order to power them. And then it also has 2 USB outputs and 1 Type-C output. So if it's in full sun, you could just plug a Type-C cord into that and plug the other end into your device that needs to be charged and charge it directly even if this is already powered up and you're not needing to charge this. So it is a really amazingly awesome solar panel set. And the way it folds up and it makes it easy to carry like a briefcase, you pair that with this. When I first charged this, it was already about 30-ish, 30 to 40% charged. It went from there to 100% using those solar panels in direct sun in about 4 hours, which is awesome. And if you are down to the bottom of the barrel, almost 0%, and you're charging to 100%, then it takes about, I'd say about 6 or 7 hours in full sun. But that's awesome. I even use this thing to run my pool robot vacuum. I have a pool robot vacuum, high-powered, really great one that I run weekly. I plugged it into this and was able to run it for 4 hours off of this, which is great. And then I can just charge this back up with the solar panels, because of course I'm going to keep this for, you know, emergency situations or if I go camping, but that's not the only time I can use it. I can use it weekly to do that, and then I don't have to use actual electricity from the power company to do that. So, you know, saves money and better for the environment using the power of the sun. So really the solar panel with this power supply station is such a great combo. It's just really, really versatile. There's so many different things you can power with the 2 Type-C ports, the 2 USB ports, the DC output, the standard car socket output, the 2 AC, standard AC US plugs. You can plug so many different things into this. 320 watts total output power that you can have, and then having those solar panels paired with it in order to charge it up, so you don't ever have to actually plug it in or use power from your house to power it, or especially in case of an emergency when there is no power, there's no electricity, or you're camping and there's no electricity, you can use those solar panels to charge this up. Then when there is no sun, you've got this to run your devices or power your devices. So really, really excellent, excellent power supply. Works really great. I love it. And then pair it with those solar panels. Just one of the most amazing kits. One of those things that everyone should have in case of an emergency. In case you have a situation where you don't have power, everyone should have a kit like this on hand, because it could really be a matter of life or death. It could really save you in those situations. So this is definitely a product that I am very excited about. I love it. I think it works great. And it's definitely something that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. I'll have a link in the description below to these products on Amazon. You can click that link, jump over there, read what other people have said about it, pick one up for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or favorite my playlist so you can keep up with future product reviews. And that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.